When the day winds to a close, but the outdoors are still calling, we say, let there be light, to spark conversation, to warm your spirits, and to keep the party going. Lumin Fire Tables from Luxcraft put the comfort of the campfire at your fingertips. Manufactured from the same dense poly materials as all Luxcraft fine outdoor furniture, these tables are built to last with virtually no maintenance. UL-listed stainless steel fire inserts are tested for safety and durability. And the propane fuel source means no fetching wood, no smoke, no mess. Light the fire with the press of a button and set the perfect mood with a turn of a dial. The protective glass wind guard will keep the flames burning bright. Lumin Fire Tables are available in a variety of colors and heights to fit any setting and are crafted with attention to detail at our Ohio Amish Country facility. Get more out of your outdoor space through every hour and every season. Visit Luxcraft.com to find a dealer near you.